Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to learn how to make one of the famous traditional Indian dessert that is called Kalakand, also can be called as milk cake. So you can easily prepare this at home within 15 minutes of time. So for this recipe, the first ingredient we're going to need is 1 cup of milk powder, and the second ingredient is 1 can of condensed milk, about 400 grams, and the third ingredient we're going to need is yogurt, 2 tablespoons plain thick yogurt we need, and fourth ingredient we need is 1 tablespoon of pistachios, granules of pistachios, and the fifth ingredient we need cardamom powder. Here we're going to use 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Now turn on the stove, put a non-stick pan, heat the pan on a low heat, and now you're going to add the milk powder, yogurt, and the condensed milk. Make sure to stir continuously to ensure there are no lumps. Cook the mixture on a low heat flame while stirring the mixture constantly. So cook all these ingredients for about 10 to 12 minutes. The mixture will thicken and leave a kind of texture that will be granular. That is the consistency we need, a soft texture. That is the texture that we are looking forward for. So about in 10 to 12 minutes you will see the mixture is getting thickened, and you will see it's getting stick to the walls of the pan. Now it's the time you can ensure that the mixture is ready. The kalakand is almost ready. You can add cardamom powder. So here this is the texture that you should have for cardamom powder, a smooth powder, and put the 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, and once again stir all the ingredients. You can turn off the stove. Now take a pan, grease the pan with a ghee or butter, and you're going to transfer all the mixture into the pan, spread them evenly, and garnish with the pistachios, and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. You can cut into desired shapes and serve them. And it is really yummy and tasty recipe. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel.